So it's about around 11 p.m. right now. I'm just about to go to bed, and I just remember about one thing that that when I was starting with my agency, there was a year and didn't have like a single client, a single client in my agency. I guess the whole drought happened between the summers of 2025, during the whole summer for like from summers to winter of 2026. I didn't have a single client. I used to wake up every single day, used to do cold outreach, used to send like 30 to 40 messages every day. I was doing every day, doing cold outreaches, trying to see where I'm going wrong and going wrong, and I was trying to improve on those things, giving it my all. But nothing was happening. Nothing was happening in my eyes. I was improving the back end, but I couldn't see the progress that I could see with my eyes. And when that was happening, like there was a friend of mine, and when I talked with him, it's not like I called him. He called me, and he had some sort of he had a sort of a problem that he needed to be solved, and he asked me about my agency, and I told him that I don't have a client right now yet. The ones I had, I lost them. So he was like, "You're doing something wrong," and in my mind, like, yeah, duh, I know that I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know, like, where's that thing that I'm doing wrong. And I was like so angry so angry on him, because I know that I was waking every day, I was doing the work, but the results were coming in. It's not like I'm like on the top of the mountain right now, or I'm like 20k or 30k per month, but now I'm doing alhamdulillah very well as compared to what I was doing previously in the previous year. But yeah, I was like furious at the time, but if I hadn't control myself, and I just had lashed out on him and said that, how dare you question my work ethic or like anything like that. But yeah, he was right, but in my mind I also knew that I was doing something wrong, and but there was no way for me to find out what I was doing wrong without putting in the reps, which I had to put in. So just remind yourself in that sort of moments that when you are giving it your all and nothing is turning into reality, or the reality is catching up to your thoughts, or you're not getting what you want, and you're still waking up every day trying to put in the work. Just remind yourself that God is watching you, Allah is watching you. He knows the kind of work that you're putting in. He knows what to give you at what time. The timing might be different, which I have realized after a very long time, but it will be worth it. So you have to earn the thing first. You have to earn the thing first, which you are for what you are striving for, and then after you have earned it through your hard work and effort and perseverance, then you'll get it. So just remind yourself about those things in those moments, and it doesn't matter what people try to say to you, and if they try to bring you down, or try to say that you are doing something wrong and you should do something else. If you in your heart you know that you're doing the right thing, and in your heart you know that you're on the straight path, don't listen to people. Keep living in God, keep living in Allah, and keep putting one step in front of the other, and you will reach there.